Hello, it is activity number 5. Uh, I am introduce myself. My name is Jonathan Franco, and I am 31 years old. I have been working for the Secretary of Education for 6 years in the school feeding program. PAE. I am studying at Ucompensa University, Finance and International Business. I am going in 7 semesters. I am going to tell you about the plans we have for the future with my friends. I have not traveled outside the country, so with my friend we will go to Peru the next year. I haven't played soccer for a long time. Uh, I'm playing very much. So I'm going with my friends to play next Saturday because we don't work that day. Thank you very much for attention. I hope that you like plans we have. Goodbye.